The Little Firefly's Brave Flight. Luna, a little firefly, feared the dark. One day, a wise owl shared a secret: courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to face it. Inspired, Luna embarked on a journey to find the legendary glowing waterfall. Despite facing strong winds and darkness, she persevered, repeating the owl's words. Luna's courage led her to the breathtaking waterfall, where her light merged with its glow. She realized that courage not only overcomes fears, but also illuminates the world. Moral: face your fears with courage, and you'll shine brighter, inspiring others to do the same.